what's up, you guys? You're currently taped to my dashboard, but the tape isn't holding, so Kayla's gonna hold you this entire time.
So please appreciate that. Drop a like down below for Kayla's arm pain.
We're gonna let the person in front of us decide what we eat for an entire day. I brought Kayla because for some reason you guys think she's funny.
For some reason? Okay, that's fine. It's okay. Is there like trees in here? I just really like
trees. You mean
I just have allergies, it's fine.
So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Dutch because I feel like everyone goes to Starbucks, so I feel like that should be something different. Also, I'm kind of afraid.
Do they know what Dutch is?
Dutch is a coffee place, Dutch Bros. It's like in the West Coast thing. My fear with it though is you have to let you have to like actually talk to a physical human being and not an intercom person. And I don't want to see the judgment face to face.
They're nice people at Dutch.
They're like, hi, how you doing?
Want me to give you a liver? I can do that for you. Do you need a liver, a kidney? Oh, here's a coffee, by the way. It's a special Dutch day because they give proceeds to curing ALS. So we're good people. Hello?
We're in the Dutch drive-thru. We're behind a Mini Cooper. His license plate. No, I'm kidding.
Oh, I forgot. I forgot what we were doing.
Okay, I have a gift card. My big got me a gift card for this for my birthday. How nice.
Your who?
My big.
Oh, I thought you said. What did I think you said? I don't know. I'm really confused. I'm so sorry. I thought you said like my biff or something.
My biff? My biff got me a gift card.
I mean your boyf?
I don't have one of those.
Oh yeah. Your hypothetical boy.
This is like in the same complex as our high school, so I wonder, or old high school.
We're college girlies.
So now. I wonder if, let's see, do I know this person?
She's not a high schooler though. Scoot up a wee bit.
I'm gonna rear end them.
What if they're ordering for their whole freaking office and they're like, 64 coffees, please.
Are those guys twins? Or is that just
I don't know.
Because they have the exact same hairstyle.
Is there two of them? I only saw one.
There's one and then he's like sticking his butt out.
We have to ask them.
They put like their heads in the window.
Yeah.
They're like, hello.
You're like, oh wow, you're low on gas. You should get some gas. Here's some gas money. I wish they would do that. They have to be twins.
They have to be. There's one right there, and then the other one just disappeared, but he looks exactly like that one. I only get one thing here, and everything else I hate.
I get a lemonade, and then I have them just throw in a bunch of fruit.
It's a guy. It's a guy. He looks old.
Oh, he's getting coffee.
Wait, no, is that a girl?
He ordered really quick. He, she, person. No, they're still moving up. They're still ordering.
Maybe we're gonna get the same thing as her.
Are we gonna do that one? Hi, how are you? Oh, we're staring at her, so she's staring at us. It's always that face off, you know, when you have the two drive-thrus, you're like, who's gonna go in first? Because you know you should go first, but they're like, no, and you're like, rude.
So we're definitely getting her order.
Oh my god.
She's a girl.
Keegan, it's happening!
She has like little braids. It's a Corolla, a really old one.
Not that car types matter, but just in case you were wondering.
Look at the car behind us. Good thing we didn't go behind them because they would have gotten an expensive drink. It's like a Porsche or whatever that is. I don't know my car types.
Tiny.
Red, like.
Ooh, I don't know.
Oh wait, wait, that guy's coming up to us, so maybe he won't know.
Oh god.
What's up, y'all?
Hi. Good, how are you?
Good, y'all. Do the same thing.
Can we have the same thing as the person in front of us? Or like the last order you took or anything? Do you know?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Is it bad?
No, but I mean,
is it expensive?
It was it's like $3.85.
Okay.
But it was a strawberry kiwi lime or strawberry blackberry kiwi with coconut milk green tea.
It sounds okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
As long as it's not like an Americano.
What size did they
Americano.
Medium.
Okay.
Two of them?
One.
No.
Let's just do
Just one?
We have to do what they did.
All right, friend. What about you? What do you want over there?
No.
We're just splitting
what
it.
we're doing.
Oh,
yeah.
Strawberry kiwi blackberry with a couple ounces of coconut milk.
Yeah.
You got it. Sweet. You want to step in a little bit?
Yeah. I'm surprised he didn't ask to be in the vlog. I was nervous because he's like, are you sure?
Yeah.
And I was like, is it bad?
But like, what if you were allergic to it? Like, what if you ordered it and you didn't know what was in it and you can't have coconut milk?
I've never had coconut milk.
It's good.
Green tea with coconut milk?
I have faith.
You want to try it first or should I?
Let's ask for 2 straws and do it at the same time. Oh gosh.
I almost hit the thing.
It looks so pretty.
You guys had a medium ice, strawberry, blackberry, kiwi, green tea with coconut milk?
Yeah.
Sure.
Heck yeah. This is like the second one I saw like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We did that. Tell her
we did that on purpose.
With anybody?
What?
Did you like share this?
It's like a challenge where you're supposed to order the drink of the person in front of you. So we just tried to order whoever was in front of us.
Okay. Wow.
Can we have another straw if that's okay?
Oh, heck yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
But then we'll recycle it. Don't worry.
Yeah, we'll
we like
recycle.
turtles.
Thank you so much. Yeah, have a good day. God, she was so nice.
Her teeth were so white.
One time I almost made out with a boy in this parking lot.
Why was it just an almost?
Because it didn't happen.
Well, no. Heck. But why didn't it happen? Oh, God.
1, 2. Very fruity. I don't mind.
I taste just green tea.
The after
Look at how pretty it
it's
looks.
It's really pretty.
Can you tell it's like kind of ombre? Like the coconut milk makes it look pretty. I'll drink it because we spent money on it.
It like is good until the aftertaste. It's so pretty though.
So sorry.
Just like
I'm so sorry. I forgot I was the one keeping that up. I didn't even taste it that time because there was so much going on.
We're gonna go to Einstein's Bagels now. I'm afraid no one's gonna be there because it's 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
It closes soon, so. Okay, we'll see you there. We're in the Einstein's parking lot. No one's here because it's 1. Are they gonna? No, they're not gonna. We've only been here for literally a minute, but it's also 1:11, and who's gonna get a bagel at 1:11?
I mean, we're trying, aren't we?
Well, I was thinking we could go to Panera, and then we can go to Einstein's and maybe McDonald's.
Did you mean?
Oh, Panera, In-N-Out, McDonald's.
There you go. You're like, Panera, Einstein's. I'm like, we didn't do that.
Yes, they're doing it! It's happening! Okay, we're in the Panera parking lot. The person, oh my god, they're going through it right now.
This looks like a mom car.
Yes, oh my god, what if she gets a bunch of food for her family? It's a GMC, I cannot read that, Acadia. It looks like a mom.
Roll down your window, see if we can hear.
No, wait, we want it to be a surprise. She has glasses on, she's rubbing her nose right now.
Please no salad, please no salad.
Please nothing healthy, please nothing healthy.
You have to get mac and cheese at Panera or else you're not doing it right.
She's there for a while, I'm really afraid she's ordering for her entire
Or what if they just said, hi, this is Panera, can you hold on?
She doesn't look like she's moving her mouth. The
Talk
person behind us with the dog. Person behind us with the dog. We should have let them go in front of us. I trust a dog person more than I trust this GMC.
What if she's a dog person? What if it's a really tiny dog and we can't see it? I forgot. I keep forgetting what we're doing.
Thank you for choosing Panera. My name's Alexa. What can I get started for you?
Can I have the same thing as the person in front of me?
I can't believe we're doing this.
Yeah, can I get you anything else today?
No thank you.
Alright, and then I'll have a total sum up for you.
Okay, thank you. It's so expensive, she doesn't even know the total. And she literally—
I gotta get my calculator out again. Oh my god, they don't make numbers that high on the calculator.
I like that she didn't tell me what's in it, and it also didn't come up on the screen. I wonder if she told her that we ordered the same thing.
I don't know, sometimes they do that because they're
Shady.
like, do you know the person behind you? And they're like, no.
She's not looking back at us.
What if she hands her one drink?
A coffee.
I'm hungry.
I'm really hoping for some mac and cheese.
In a bread bowl? Oh my god, but let's not get greedy here.
It's taking a really long time, so I'm afraid it's a lot of food. Oh, the dog person's coming around.
Coming
Look
around
in the mountain when she comes. We'll get copyrighted for that.
Because I sound like Beyonce, they can't tell the difference between her voice and my voice.
Beyonce sings that song?
She did a cover. It's happening, the window's opening.
Oh, it's only a bag. It's only one bag.
It's
they literally
really not even that big.
They waited that long
there
for
better
one.
be another
There's another
bag.
one. There's another. Oh.
Drink?
A drink? We got a drink? Oh, that looks good.
And
a water.
That's good. She was hydrating and
Yes.
giving her body some
Is that
H2O.
No, she's not.
Straws.
Straws. Oh,
Hey.
okay.
Hi, how are you? Hi. So you just had that roasted turkey avocado BLT, and then the prickly pear fresca, and then the small mac and cheese.
Yeah.
That's gonna be $19.37.
I have a gift card.
Thank you.
I hate avocado.
I do too. We're gonna like it today. We're gonna be fighting over the mac and cheese.
It's expensive. $10 for a turkey sandwich. Cool. So we just parked, and I honestly think that the girl next to us is the one that we ordered from. She got some weird BLT, which I'm not a fan of. And has avocado, and I hate avocado. Oh, you try it first, then I'll try it. It's good. Ah,
Very prickly. I don't quite enjoy it if we're being honest here.
apple. I thought we got a baguette. Okay, I'm gonna put this here, so there's no baguette.
Circled
She
it.
did order a French baguette.
What is this?
Blank blank. Ew!
Look at all the tomatoes. Is it cheating if I take the tomatoes off? I cheated and I took the tomato off. Sue me.
Okay, I don't like any of this, so I'm
Don't
gonna
do
eat
that.
it.
I don't have enough money to be sued.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
I wouldn't pay $10 for it. I'm gonna keep eating it. There's a lot of textures to it.
If we're being honest, I've never tried avocado before, so I don't really know what it tastes like. It could be worse.
I'm ready for some mac and cheese. There's most definitely the lady. Oh my, she's eating it right now. And we parked really far away from the Panera too. She probably thinks we're stalking her. Oh, she just
That's
left.
her.
That's definitely her. It's the same life.
Why did we park right next to her?
We should have invited her in and been like, why did you order this?
Should I try this avocado?
Mm-hmm.
That's so... It's not what I expected avocado to taste like. It's so weird. I don't understand you people who can just eat avocado toast like it's candy. I don't get it.
Would you order that again?
I like it when I take all the stuff off of it.
Okay, what about this? We don't have enough cup holders.
Number one in innovation, ladies and gents.
Before MIT and Stanford. We're in the In-N-Out parking lot. It was kind of weird because there was a lady who was like taking orders outside and then she went inside and then we were gonna be behind this person with a really cute dog sticking out the window. A person kind of got in front of me.
When you're a picky eater.
Oh my god.
I'm expanding my palette, don't worry.
So right now we're in front of a Ford. Oh, there's so many different.
Fiesto?
Doesn't even look like letters. It's two teenage girls that are in this car. Yeah.
One
But
of
when
them looks so small.
I know, I was like, are you old enough to be driving? She's
back.
The person's back, guys. Okay, so we have to actually do this to an actual human being once again. I'm so glad that we prepared ourselves with Dutch. We really pre-gamed it.
She looks like she's gonna be really confused, I can tell you.
She looks cars a hatchback, and I don't trust hatchbacks that are on small cars. Unless you guys have a hatchback, that's totally fine. If anyone else does, don't trust them.
Where'd we put the, oh yeah, innovation.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's happening.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, what can I get for you?
Can I have the same order as them?
I do not remember what they.
Oh.
Is it on the tablet?
Oh, do you not like know?
Yeah, no. Then never mind. Do I just like go through it?
I can look real quick.
Okay,
to see what they
sorry.
got. You're good. So one of them got a hamburger, no onion, and then someone else got a cheeseburger, ketchup, tomato only,
Okay.
and 2 strawberry shakes and 1 fry.
Can we change the strawberry shakes to chocolate? Do you,
Two
okay,
chocolate?
1 chocolate,
You're
1
a
strawberry.
cheater.
Do you want strawberry?
Do you want 1
No,
fry?
but you're cheating.
Yeah, just 1.
Okay. The food's okay, right?
Yeah.
I'm so disappointed in you. And you call yourself a tuber? You can't do that. That's not the name of the game. We're gonna be so full.
Strawberry shake for you, and then a chocolate shake.
Thank you.
Thumbnail.
You too.
I'm gonna try my strawberry shake since Keegan hates strawberry shakes. I don't really taste the strawberry. I kind of just get vanilla vibe.
Oh my god, that's so gross. Okay, which hamburger do you want?
Or that tomato's going in there. You're eating the tomato?
I can't taste it. I would never order this by myself, but it's not bad. We're in the McDonald's drive-thru.
What is this, number 4?
Oh, it's a BMW. They might be a big spender.
Not that we're judging based on their car.
Also, I feel like I've definitely hit a wall because I ate that entire In-N-Out order.
I thought you meant you physically hit a wall.
No.
Is that what you said?
Yeah, like you hit a wall, like I'm full.
I thought like we like accidentally sideswiped a wall and I just missed that part.
It's a boy. It's a man, like a grown man.
Oh no. They usually get a lot of food with a lot of spicy crap on it.
Can I have the same order as the person in front of me? Can I have the same thing as the person in front of me?
Small vanilla shake, Oreo McFlurry, and 2 large bites?
Yes, please.
No problem.
Thank you. More ice cream?
We're gonna get diabetes.
We're literally gonna
He got a shake and a McFlurry. Balloons in the back of his car.
Oh, maybe it's for like a birthday or something.
Oh, long neon nails.
I really thought that was a man.
Oh my gosh, Key guys.
Yes.
Did you guys get your Oreo pudding and all that?
What was
Yeah.
that?
Did you get the rest of it already or no?
No, not yet.
Did you not get the shake? Oh, the Oreo.
Did she not get the shake? No, she didn't get the shake. This is a big bag for just 2 fries.
They're large.
I'm gonna take a gamble here and say McDonald's fries are better than In-N-Out.
They're good in different ways. Both have their strengths and weaknesses.
Or is McDonald's just better?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
He's
when my
hot.
dad lived in those apartments.
He's
I
so
missed
hot.
it. I missed it.
He could be a mom. He had like the nice like scruff.
Ugh. This should be called the how much can you gain in 1 day challenge.
I'm glad it was Oreo and not like some weird thing. We decided to end the video here because we were gonna get ice cream for dessert at nighttime, but I don't know.
As you can tell,
I don't think we can do 3 desserts.
we got enough ice cream.
I feel like we had more drinks in this video than we did food. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want us to do it again, let us know. If you guys want Kayla to be in more videos,
Please say yes. It really makes me feel good about myself. Keegan's gonna link my Instagram down below, right, Keegan?
just drop a subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe if you're not already. Like this video. Follow Kayla. Follow me. Eat a french fry because we had too many. And goodbye.